Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at an example of the two principles in action. As mentioned in the previous videos, the center is the four squares in the center of the board, which I have highlighted in green. So let's go ahead and start. White can stop the move d4. So the pawn on d4 occupies the central square and takes control of another central square, square on e5. Black replies in turn, taking control of the d5 square and taking control of the e4 square. Now white attacks the center, threatening to take control of the d5 square. Black responds in turn, defending the pawn on d5 and reinforcing the center. Now both sides start developing their pieces towards the center. You want to start by developing your minor pieces and castling. And after that, we will decide where to put our major pieces. So white brings out the knight, putting pressure on the center. Black defends it. And both sides develop their pieces to active squares. And now white castles. So we have a standard position for both sides. This is a very common position in the Queen's Gambit decline, or as stronger players will call it, the QGD. Both sides are well developed and have castle, and this is a very playable position. Play could continue, something like d takes c4. Black gives up the center temporarily in order to hit the center with something like b5, followed by, in the future, a move like c5. So play could continue, something like this. b5, chasing the bishop away, putting the bishop on b7. So finally, Black is also developing the queen side. And now Black chases the knight away, gets rid of the hanging pawn on b5, and hits the center with c5. With a complicated position, quite playable for both sides.